These are just gemstone mushrooms. This is a tiger eye. And let's say it's your neck is tight, you know, it might be kind of sore. Follow the same pathways, come in, and just start to come down your neck, right? This muscle that we came around with the brush in our hand, that's called the SCM, the sternocleidomastoid muscle, and it helps turn our neck, helps all with this movement. And it's associated with technique, carrying heavy handbags, whatever, kids, sitting. So you can take and warm the mushrooms, and you can go upward, you don't have to go downward. You can come and then glide the warm mushroom, you just put it under hot water, and glide it along the muscle, come in from the right under the crown where we did those zigzags with the brush, and release. You might even just place it here and just kind of lean into it and let the heaviness of your head release that tension. You can come under here, or for jaw clenchers, warm and then come into here. You can either just rotate or you can press and hold, right? Coming in, if you have a lot of stagnation, follow the same pathways with more mushrooms, right in front of your ears, behind, and that will also help liquefy and melt all of that stagnation and that thickness and that gel-like fluid and melt the muscles. So this is a really nice tool.